Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Mitral Labs. Today, we're going to explore one of the hottest trends in software development, DevSecOps. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what DevSecOps is all about, why it's so important, and how it applies in highly regulated industries like finance or automotive. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll see how DevSecOps can transform the way you build and protect your applications. Let's jump right in. DevSecOps is essentially an evolution of DevOps with a strong emphasis on security. You might already be familiar with DevOps, a methodology aimed at unifying software development (dev) and IT operations (ops) for faster, more reliable releases. Well, DevSecOps adds sec, meaning security, right into the heart of that process. Rather than treating security as an afterthought, like a final check before going live, DevSecOps integrates security at every stage of the software development lifecycle. From the moment you plan a new feature to writing code, testing, deploying, and even monitoring your application in production, security remains a top priority. Let's dive into 4 compelling reasons why DevSecOps is becoming a must-have in modern software development. Security by design. Traditionally, security checks happen at the end of the development cycle or not at all, leading to last-minute scrambles and expensive fixes. The DevSecOps advantage: by embedding security from the very start, teams catch vulnerabilities early. This saves time, money, and reduces risk significantly. Reduced time to market. Manual security reviews can slow down releases. The DevSecOps advantage: automated security tests, like static and dynamic application security testing, integrated with continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. This allows frequent, fast releases without compromising on protection. Better collaboration and shared responsibility. Siloed departments, for example, development, operations, and security, often struggle with communication gaps. DevSecOps creates a culture where every team member feels ownership over security and quality. This transparency leads to fewer errors and a more cohesive environment. Simplified compliance and audits. Meeting regulations, like in finance or automotive, can be tedious without proper documentation and checks. The advantage of DevSecOps: automating compliance checks with policy code and maintaining a clear audit trail streamline your entire review process. That means easier audits and stronger trust among stakeholders. Alright, so we've covered why DevSecOps matters. Now let's look at 4 key techniques and methods to bring DevSecOps to life in your projects. Shift left means moving security tasks as far left as possible in the development process, basically right into the coding and design phase. The benefit: you catch vulnerabilities early, save on costly rework, and keep code quality high. By integrating tools in the IDE or code repository, developers can see potential issues the moment they commit code. Static application security testing. Think of SAST like checking the blueprint of a house before construction. It analyzes your source code for common vulnerabilities before the application is running. This early detection helps developers fix issues right at the code level. Dynamic application security testing. DAST is more like testing the security of a fully built house by walking through each room and checking for unlocked doors or windows. It evaluates the running application in real time to find potential weaknesses an attacker could exploit. This approach focuses on how the application behaves under various conditions. When you combine SAST and DAST, you cover both code level and runtime threats. This dual approach ensures you spot more vulnerabilities and close the gaps that might go unnoticed if you rely on just one method. By integrating both strategies into your security pipeline, you'll achieve stronger, more comprehensive protection for your applications. Infrastructure as code. Imagine building your servers, networks, and storage the same way you'd write code. Tools like Terraform or CloudFormation let you define infrastructure components in version-controlled files. This ensures consistency. Every deployment is repeatable, traceable, and easily adjustable, no more tedious manual configurations. Policy code means encoding your security and compliance rules in the same way you do your infrastructure. Instead of manual checks or complex documents, your rules are automatically enforced at each step of deployment. This helps maintain high standards of compliance, reducing the chance of human error. With both infrastructure as code and policy code, everything from servers to firewalls gets deployed consistently and automatically scanned for compliance. This drastically cuts down on manual oversight and allows your teams to focus on innovation rather than paperwork. Runtime application self-protection. Think of RASP as a security guard inside your application. It monitors for suspicious activity in real time, identifying and blocking threats as they happen. This built-in approach helps protect against attacks that slip past traditional perimeter defenses. Cloud security monitoring. As your workloads move to the cloud, monitoring them becomes crucial. Services like GuardDuty or Azure Security Center watch for anomalies at scale, alerting you to suspicious behavior across your entire cloud environment. They offer a centralized dashboard to track threats, making it easier to maintain visibility across distributed systems. So there you have it, a quick but comprehensive look at DevSecOps. It's not just a buzzword, it's a powerful approach that helps teams deliver high-quality software faster, all while keeping security front and center. Whether you're working in a bank, an automotive company, or a smaller tech startup, DevSecOps methodologies can streamline your entire workflow, reduce vulnerabilities, and ensure compliance with even the toughest regulations. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if there's a specific DevSecOps practice or tool you'd like us to dive into, drop a comment below. For more insights on secure software development, best practices, and the latest industry trends, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Mitra Labs. We have a lot more in store, from in-depth tutorials on automated security testing to real-world case studies on cloud security. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep innovating.